Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
Have already led to our reduction.
We're doing smart work. We're investing in targeted initiatives with law.
Already led to our reduction.
We're doing smart work. We're investing in targeted initiatives with law.
There's a chicken?
Cool. There is indeed a chicken on the bridge.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Chicken's a little confused. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because there was no other side.
With this guy, man. Bastard, man!
Oh my god.
What is this car doing?
How's it going?
I just sent you a screenshot.
Yeah, he totally went straight. He wasn't supposed to do that. Road rage? Wow. Look at this. Just go ahead. Let me try to help you guys defuse. Oh, wow. Look at this truck. You can't make this up, man. And they wonder why New York insurance rates are so high, especially in the city. It's crazy, obviously. They would have. Look at this guy. Look.
Red light camera in 0.1 mile.
How about that? And put a camera there for what you call it, man. Cause this type, you know, you hear these stories.
Yeah, just like that, huh?
You're going down.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Huh? Those cars almost crashed into each other.
That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Yes. She circled the paint, struck her several times. I did see her hit the lady, yes. Did Amber, as Amethyst, make loud, screaming accusations against the lady? Yes.
But her built-in one that records all around us isn't detecting, so that's not recording. I'm like, well, of all the intersections, what had happened? The other two should go. There we go. Or not. Alright. There we go.
Who is beeping? Holy Holy
Holy!
Yeah.
Do
And
you-
this is why we have a dash cam.
I used to really like them.
Oh, son of
Whoa! God damn it! That was a close call.
Yes, it was.
Ow. I got a leg cramp now. That's a big animal. That would hurt us.
That would hurt us,